I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Nmn versus nicotinamide riboside. Both Nmn and Nr are crucial precursors to NAD+, a coenzyme essential for many cellular processes. While their ultimate goal is the same, to increase NAD+ levels, they take slightly different paths. Nmn is a direct precursor, meaning it can be converted directly into NAD+. Nicotinamide riboside, however, typically converts into Nmn before becoming NAD+. Understanding how these compounds are absorbed is key. Nicotinamide riboside is readily absorbed by cells and then converted into Nmn, which then becomes NAD+. Nmn can also be absorbed directly by cells, or it might be broken down into Nr first for cellular uptake. Despite these different entry points, studies indicate that both Nmn and Nr are effective at increasing NAD+ levels within the body. Current research into Nmn and Nr is exciting, focusing on their potential roles in cellular energy production and the aging process. Both compounds are being investigated for their ability to support metabolic health, improve cognitive function, and even enhance physical performance. While human trials are ongoing, animal studies have shown promising results regarding their impact on longevity and overall well-being. When considering Nmn or Nr, typical daily dosages often range from 250 mg to 1,000 milligrams, depending on individual needs and product formulations. Both compounds are generally well tolerated and considered safe for most people, with very few reported side effects. Remember to always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Also, for a great way to stay organized and healthy, check out the leak-proof meal prep containers linked in the description, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.